Morning, folks. This is the Colonel with you. We got a little unboxing here. This camera's crooked. What the heck's going on? How's that? Is that more level? I got an unboxing, but I'm unboxing boxes. Hey, Colonel, enjoy. Barry, my buddy, box man. Put that out there somewhere. Okay, let's get into this. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Here we go. This is the first one. This was a kind of collaboration. It was my dumb idea. So I had Mr.Zeke make me up one of them, okay, Barry, you packed it for the apocalypse, buddy. I had, Mr.Zeke, everybody knows him. Here's his card. Steal your face, he calls it. Barry's got a little piece of rubber on there. That's cool. Well, check that out. What do you think of that? Barry made the box. Mr. Zeke did the casting, and Ivan Rash did the enamel work. All inspired by me. Huh. Okay, we'll leave that sit there. I hope you can see it. This is the one I've really been waiting on. This is another box. Am I hitting anything over there? Okay, Colonel. Hope you like this. You bet, buddy. Without a doubt, I don't even have to see it. Well, we don't need this big ass box in the way. This goes up here with this. Mr. Zeke, can you see that? Maybe I'll move that stupid sign. Okay, folks, like I said, this is an unboxing of the box. You checking this bad boy out? Does that look nice? Got a mirror on top. Oh, it's got legs on it and everything. Where's, oh, it opens this way. Okay. And there it is. Still got the sculpture in it. That's the box in a box. Can you see that? I'm going to show you. I'm going to take the sculpture out. This is the original sculpture. And what we're going to do, we have one copper, one silver, one silver enameled, and one gold plated. That's the series. I got one and Paul's got one, except he don't have a box. But want you to get a look at that. Wait a minute, let me get this around here so the lid don't fall on my fingers. Can you see that? Here it is, and when it's closed, it's got a glass top. You can still look through the box and see the jigsaws. Pretty swell. I'm liking it. It's got a little bit of lint on it here. That's okay. Packing fragments. But that's it. That's it for today. We don't want to run too long. We're already at 5 minutes. We'll hold this up one more time so you can see it. That's about it, folks. We're shagging on out of here. We'll talk to you later.